Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I mix and soak my fruits for my holiday block cake. You do not need a whole year to soak these fruits. All you need is a couple of days max and you will have the perfect fruits for your block cake. The fruits that I'm using for my block cake today are very simple. So in a bowl, I have some currants. I also have some regular dark raisins. And in addition to that, I am using some golden raisins. If you wanted to use all golden raisins or all dark raisins, feel free to do so. I also have some maraschino cherries, and I have some dates, as well as some mixed peel. As usual, all of the ingredients and their proper measurements will be left in the description box down below this video. And once you get all of your fruits measured out, it is the easy part. So in a large bowl, we're going to start to dump everything in. I'm going in with those dark raisins, I'm going in with my currants, I'm also going to be going in with all of those dried prunes. I'm also going in with my golden raisins at this point, and if you didn't have golden raisins, you can also just omit it and replace it with regular dark raisins. I'm also going in with all of those maraschino cherries, and I'm going to be going in with that candied mixed peel. And once I add in all of my fruits into the bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a quick little mix so everything's combined. And at this point, the main star of the show is the red wine. I'm using Manischewitz red wine today, but you can use any type of red wine that you like to use to soak your block cake. And I'm also going to be going in with some dark rum. You can use whatever type of rum you want. The one that I'm using is a spiced rum, but by all means use something that you really enjoy. And at this point, once everything is added into the bowl, you're going to give it a nice mix, make sure everything's combined, and you're going to push down all of those fruits so they are submerged in the alcohol. Now you can leave this out at room temperature, just to let the fruits soak, and you can leave it up to a year, even longer. However, I will just be letting this sit for a couple of days before I start baking my block cakes. So I really hope you all enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and leave some comments down below of what you'd like to see next. Make sure you stay tuned so you can see how I put together this delicious block cake that you're seeing in this video right here. Bye everyone.